guys, welcome to my channel. I'm enjoying the weather today outside. You know why? Because someone else has decided to be in the kitchen today. So do you want to see what's hot in my kitchen? Let's go and see what's hot and who is gonna be so cheesy in the kitchen today. Ihu, what are you making?
Pizza.
Sprinkle the cheese nicely all over, okay? What are you doing? It shouldn't fall down, only on the base.
If it was yummy, no.
Oh, is it? Is it yummy?
A little bit.
It's just a little bit yummy, not too much. Sprinkle it nicely, come on. What are you doing? Don't do that. You mix it all over, see. Spread it nicely.
A little bit taste.
You don't mix it, you just leave it on top because then it melts in the oven. You are eating half the cheese. What are you putting on the pizza? So I hope you have enjoyed that video of my wee one cooking with all her heart and all her love and completely enjoying the process while she was gulping on the cheese. I, as a parent, I would encourage you, I would advise all my fellow parents to let the kids spend more time in the kitchen. That's the only way they will learn this essential key skill that will help them as they grow up. At the same time, it will also help them fall in love with food and also make the right choices in healthy eating as they grow up. Also make it a family affair. Spend more time together in the kitchen, and that's the only way they will appreciate what we do as parents for them. And with that, I can upload a video of some tips or some fun activities you can get your child engaged into the kitchen when you are doing your busy core activities, we're trying to finish up everything as a busy parent. So you can see that as well. You can share your tips, your advice, your experiences that you do to keep your child busy as well as safe in the kitchen when you are trying to finish up your work. So with that, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Do give me a like if you've liked it, and also go ahead and share it with your friends and families. And with that, you tell me what's hot in your kitchen today. Bye bye.